Hey bird people, we've been speedrunning game development for the last few weeks, which is really exhausting but also kind of funny. We are developing a multiplayer game called Bird Game 3, an interpretation of last year's viral TikTok trend. Back then, we set up a Steam page for that and got over 20,000 wishlists in the first 2 weeks. Since then, we've been obviously working non-stop to get this thing done. Since we dropped the demo in February, we gathered a lot of feedback and are now trying to get all of that stuff into the game. If you want to know more about how we got here in the first place, follow for part 2.